constant mentor चाहिए होता है to help you in every phase that what you are doing, because seniors भी कहाँ तक help करेंगे, they can guide you, you know, with a certain limited knowledge they also have. So as I said, I took only one trial session, and I, you know, in that half an hour, I had this faith in him that I can go with him. It's perfectly, I mean, the things I wanted, he fulfilled that in the trial session, so I went with him. Hi, Keshav. Thanks for inviting me. My name is Jaiprakash Gupta, and I'm currently in my final year of BTech from Delhi Technological University. And I've been now placed, and thanks to Preplaced and my mentor, Ankit Gupta. So yeah, I started my Preplaced journey in June. In the first week of June, I took the mentorship program, the LTM of Preplaced for 3 months. And I basically wanted the mentorship for my interview preparation. The major part was for my mock interviews, basically, and a proper career, guideline for what all I should do to get a good, job in software industry. Because my major is in chemical engineering, so I was not in a good idea of what all, I have to do in the for the software preparation for this kind of role. So so I prepared DSA in my college, but during these summers I did not have any internship, so I wanted to work hard because I knew that people have good internship they are doing, and I am, I'm not ahead of them in this. I did not have that edge of internship with me, so I need to work hard. So I was working hard with DSA, and I wanted guidance in that. So yeah, I joined. I was doing my DSA, but my seniors also, I used to talk to them, but एक constant mentor चाहिए होता है to help you in every phase that what you are doing, because seniors भी कहाँ तक help करेंगे, they can guide you, with a certain limited knowledge they also have, but a working professional knows better than his seniors also. And at this point, I wanted a, perfect mentorship for my 2 or 3 months preparation. I had that time I had only before my placement started. So we can take August, the placement used to start in every college. So I had June, July, only 2 months, 2.5 months I had. So I wanted a very crisp and, straightforward mentorship that you do this and this and you will get a good, placement. I wanted that kind of mentorship. So I came across Preplaced. I used to see very, the LinkedIn posts of so much influencers that they post about Preplaced. So I wanted to try. So I had a, free mentorship. The free, what do we say? That free session. Yeah, the trial session. Yeah. So I took the trial session from Ankit Gupta, and I liked the mentor. I liked how he, told me about that we can go like this. I told him about my preparation, how much I've prepared, and he said, yeah, okay, we can go like this and this. So, I liked his mentorship, and I took the LTM for 3 months. We can have 1 month also, but I thought that 1 month will be very less for me. I wanted more. So I took the 3 month session. Yeah. So as I said, I took only one trial session, and I, in that half an hour, I had this faith in him that I can go with him. It's perfectly, the things I wanted, he fulfilled that in the trial session. So I went with him. My DSA was not improving, and I always wanted that basically मैं कहाँ lag कर रहा हूँ, I was not able to figure it out. So yeah, that part basically motivated me to have a mentor basically, so that if I have something in mind कि यार यहाँ पे problem आ रही है and मुझे यहाँ पे solve करना है, but seniors भी कई बार उस level पे help नहीं कर पाते, and that only motivated me कि यार constantly एक बंदा चाहिए that like a big brother or big sister basically, so that they can always tell you, yeah, kahan lag ho raha hai, and you have to improve this in order to get a good placement. You have to improve that point. So that basically motivated me. he gave me, after basically my trial session, he gave me, when I finally took the LTM with him, he shared me a couple of resources to study DSA, certain lead code study guides they have in the lead code only. So he shared that. He shared the core subjects, the computer fundamentals. That also he shared some of the YouTube playlist and all of that. So I mean, yeah, we discussed that only in the trial session, that what all we should do. I mean, you aim it, you will achieve it definitely. And with the good mentorship when you get from Preplaced, you should have a curated path. You should have that motivation in yourself. The working hard capability you should have, because coming from a non-tech background needs a bit of more hard work than usual computer science background student. So you should have that zeal in yourself if you want to see yourself in a good software company, having a good package, having a good career, having a good lifestyle after graduating after 4 years, 5 years. So I mean, you have to work hard. So work hard, have a good path, and you will definitely achieve it. First of all, thanks to Preplaced for having this startup. It's a very good idea, because this type of things is the need right now. There are so many students preparing for software companies right now, and for my mentor, he is a great mentor. He is good in every in every aspect, because he was flexible with the timings. He was flexible with the number of meetings we do in a week, because he has written in his portfolio that only 2 weeks per session. But he was very chill with, if you need, you can have 3 or 4 also. I am okay with that. So he was very flexible in that. He was flexible with timings. He, whenever I asked him for any kind of resource or any kind of help, he was very, he was in front to do, everything, to share resources or to share anything he has. So yeah, I mean, thanks to him, I mean, the major part of my, preparation and major part of my success goes to him. To because basically the mock interviews, he prepared me for the mock interviews. So I mean, the real interview which I gave, I had a very good support of the mock interviews that I gave with him, all the DSA interviews that I gave with him. So yeah, I mean, he helped in very much in the interviews also. So yeah, thanks. Finally, thanks to Preplaced also, and my mentor also.